I believe uh, considering at a sourcing test today, not many people has joined, but let's get started, whomsoever we have it. So let's just start sharing my screen first. So we can start with, let's say, what's the agenda for today? Okay, importance of operators and what we can and what can go wrong while creating X-ray searches, and basically understanding how minor miss can impact the whole search results as well the sourcing test. So the reason I wanted to cover, because so far we have covered pretty much of the basics of Boolean operators like and, or, not, brackets, and then double quotes, asterisk, then operators like around, operators like related, all those stuff in our previous sessions, and then operators like cite, in URL, in title, all those things we have covered pretty much, and with a number of examples uh, in our previous 10 to 12 session. So I just thought of, let's have one sort of a kind of a sourcing test, which is pretty much on a basics on this, around this basics only, and just to understand if we get that hands-on holding of the basic operators, and what are the importance of those particular basic operators, and while creating particular operators, while creating these particular searches, what things can go wrong and how things can go wrong, in fact. So that's what I just thought of, okay, fine, let's go with a session which is basically to test our skills from the previous sessions. And that's the reason I call it as importance of operators and what can go wrong while creating X-ray searches, basically understanding how minor misses can help or can impact the whole search results. And then the sourcing test. So we go in a reverse order. First, we'll go with the sourcing test. Let me just ping you a link over here. So this is a link. Okay, you can just enter your email address, and then you have options like please select the correct options, and please select the wrong options, and then please select the right options, and then again please select the wrong option. So you need to see which option is correct and which option is wrong, and these options can shuffle for each one of us because it's just shuffling them. So yeah, let's get started. Hope you got the link. Piyush, Manoj, Madhusudan.
Yes,
Kalpana.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So link, Shiv, we have to check with the correct option and the wrong options, right?
Yes. Whatever it says, if it says correct option, try to select the correct option. If it says the wrong option, try to select the wrong options.
Wrong option, right? So how many questions are there?
I think we have 10 to 12 questions. Let
10
me
to
just.
12. Okay.
1,
No
2,
problem.
3, 4,
So
5.
what is the allocated time here?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 questions. Time you can take anyways.
Okay. All right.
Once you're done, let me know.
Sure.
No competition, time you can take.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. So that once we complete this, then we know the importance of these things. Okay, Kalpana, I think you joined and again you missed in between. So I've shared the sourcing test link here. So this test is basically pretty much on a very basics of things what we learned so far in our previous sessions, like starting from and, or, not, then starting with little advanced operators like related, or in title, or in URL, then cite for the X-ray searches, and then asterisks, and then number range search. So the whole questions are around those particular operators. Okay, so what we mentioned today, that importance of operators and what can go wrong while creating an X-ray search is basically understanding how minor miss can impact the whole search result and the sourcing test. So let's start with the sourcing test first. I sent the link, and once you're done with the test, let me know. Then we dive deep into the each and every question. and then we go with the examples. Why this is right and why this is wrong, and that's how we'll be able to cover the importance of those operators. And while creating a searches, what can go wrong? I've tried to cover as many right options, as many wrong options, and that's where every question is around. Please select the correct option. Please select the wrong options. So just go through that and try to fill in. As soon as you click on the link, you'll come to this particular page and try to complete the test. After that, we'll come back to the session. We'll come back to the question and dive deep on each and everything. All right.
All right, Chef. Thank you.
Yeah. I think, Kalpana, you don't have a speaker today. That's fine, but hope you can hear me. I'll be on mute. Maybe another 15 minutes we can take to solve the test. 8:30, we'll start again.
Sure, Chef. Thank you.
Yeah.